Established in Israel 1987. Focused on automation, digitalization, and intelligent manufacturing. Industry-leading shoemaking equipment provider. Comprehensive intelligent manufacturing solutions. Orisol. The ARCS 180 automated robotic cementing solution. Single-arm automated spraying system. Efficient output of 180 pairs per hour. Automatic nozzle cleaning system. Completes 3 cementing processes, seamlessly fitting into the current setup. And ARCS 360, dual-arm spraying operation, flexible to be either individually operated or paired in process. Double output efficiency, up to 360 pairs per hour. 63% improvement in space utilization, maximizing production processing performance and efficiency. Advanced spraying control system compatible with various Sol models and chemicals. IoT connectivity with real-time data integration into MES and ERP systems. Modular design allows flexible integration with diverse equipment and processes. Automated solutions. Integrated digital applications. Smart manufacturing for the future. Comprehensive intelligent manufacturing solutions. Orisol.